everyone, it's time to read Smiley Shark and the Great Big Hiccup. Today we're going to learn about ocean animals. Far away in the deep rolling ocean, the fish were all in a tiz. Smiley Shark had disappeared. Woohoo, Smiley Shark! Where are you? Called Angelfish. The friends searched in the swirling seaweed and around the colorful coral, but they couldn't find him anywhere. At last, Octopus spotted him, but poor Smiley Shark had lost his smile. "What's wrong, Smiley Shark?" asked Starfish. "I can't get rid of these annoying hiccups," Smiley Shark grumbled. "I know what to do," cried Angelfish. "When I have hiccups, I swim as fast as I can. That always makes them go away." Let's see if that will work. Whee! With a swoosh and a whoosh, Smiley Shark and Angelfish whizzed off as fast as they could swim. But it didn't work. "Oh, please, Starfish, can you help me?" asked Smiley Shark. "Of course," said Starfish. "When I have hiccups, I do cartwheels, and that always makes them go away." Woo! With a swish and a swirl, they tumbled and twirled together across the sand. But that didn't work either. Hiccup! Hiccup! Smiley Shark was feeling very dizzy, and he still had the hiccups. "I have an idea," giggled Octopus. He slowly reached out with his twisty, tickly tentacles and tickled Smiley Shark on the tummy. Smiley Shark wriggled and giggled and jumped and jiggled, but it didn't stop the hiccups. "I know just what will work," smiled Pufferfish. "When I have hiccups, I hold my breath for as long as I can, and that always makes them go away." They both took a big gulp of water and counted 1, 2, 3. "Hooray! My hiccups are gone," grinned Smiley Shark. "Thank you so much, Puffer." Smiley Shark's hiccups were back, and they were worse than ever. His tummy jumped and bumped and spun and twirled. Hiccup! Poor Smiley Shark was getting grumpy and grumbly. "I'll never get rid of these hiccups," he wailed. "We need a better plan," Starfish suggested. The friends huddled together and whispered. "You have to swim to the back of Big Coral Cave," said Angelfish. "You'll definitely find the cure for hiccups there." "Really?" said Smiley Shark. Determined to try, he swam off, still hiccuping gently. Hiccup, hic, hic. What's he gonna find in that cave? Inside the cave was dark and rather lonely. Bravely, Smiley Shark waited. And waited and waited. Boo! Ah! The scary surprise chased Smiley Shark's hiccups away. "Hooray!" he cheered. "Now we can all play together. Thank you, everyone," said Pufferfish. He got the hiccups too. All right, friends, it's time to sing some new songs. So our first song is called "A Sailor Went to Sea." And we're going to start out slow, and then we're going to sing it a few more times and see how fast we can sing it. All right, it goes like this. "A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see. But all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. All right, are you ready to sing it faster? Okay. A sailor went to sea to see what he could see, but all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. Do you think we can do it even faster? All right, let's try. Ready? A sailor went to sea to see what he could see, but all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. All right, last time. Let's see if we can do it even faster. Ready? Go. A sailor went to sea to see what he could see, but all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. Whew, that was fast. You guys did great. Keep seeing how fast you can sing that. All right, our next song is going to be Baby Shark. I think you all know that one. Are you ready? Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt. Run away do 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 do. Run away do 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 do. Run away do 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 do. Run away. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end. Yay! All right, and I have one more song. So in some of your classes, you also learned about Jonah and the whale. So we're going to sing a little song about Jonah and the whale. Okay. Jonah ran from God to get away. He didn't want to hear what God had to say. He climbed on board a boat and sailed to sea. He told the Lord to let him be. God said to Jonah, not so fast. My time with you has not yet passed. The Lord sent a storm and rocked the boat. Jonah fell into the sea and tried to float. A fish swam by and swallowed the man. Jonah prayed, Lord, I'm sorry I ran. God forgave Jonah after 3 days. Jonah thanked God and was on his way. It was so fun learning about ocean animals today. I'll see you next time, and we're going to learn about pond animals.